table. Today I will show you how to make a very delicious fudgy brownies with cheesecake. Alright guys, to all my subscribers, thank you so much. And if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell para lagi kayong updated every time I post a video in my channel. Alright guys, here are the ingredients. Alright guys, for our ingredients, we will use 1 tablespoon of brewed coffee, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1 piece of a nut bar chopped, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of white sugar, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 3/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1 1/3 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 2 eggs plus 1 egg yolk, and of course 1 cup of butter. This is for our fudgy brownie. For our cheesecake, we will use 2 boxes of cream cheese. That is about 16 ounce, half a cup of sugar, 2 room temperature large eggs, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Alright guys, I'm so excited to show you how to make these cheesecake fudgy brownies. Alright, let's start. Okay guys, first, we will melt the butter. Nilagay ko na lang siya sa microwave para ma-melt siya totally. Okay? So, my bowl is still hot. I will now add my chocolate chips. So, ibababad natin siya ng konti at halu-haluin natin. Okay, I will use my spatula. So, hahaluin natin siya hanggang sa ma-melt totally yung ating chocolate. Okay? Pag hindi natin siya ma-melt dahil dito, ilalagay natin ulit ng about 20 seconds or 25 seconds doon sa ating microwave para totally ma-melt yung ating chocolate. Okay. I think this is good enough, guys. Kahit may konti-konti pa siya, that's okay kasi when we bake it, mamemelt na rin yan pag binake natin. Tsaka masarap yung parang may buo-buo siya na chocolate, right? And the cocoa powder. Yan. Then we'll mix it. Guys, make sure to heat up your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We can put our coffee. Hindi mo malalasahan ng coffee later sa ating brownies, guys. Kasi ang coffee, masarap talaga ito na ilalagay natin sa ating brownies. Okay. Then, we'll put the vanilla. And the white sugar. Also, we will put the brown sugar together. We'll mix it. See guys, ang ganda. Look at that. Pag na-mix na natin yung ating sugar, then we will now put our eggs. There you go. 2 eggs and 1 egg yolk. We'll get them together, mix. Now, we will put in our all-purpose flour. So, we'll mix them together as well, right? Maglalagay ako ng isang piraso na nut bar. So, ilalagay lang natin siya. I-mix lang natin. Make sure to chop it finely. Okay? Para pagka kinagat natin yung ating brownies, meron tayong nakakagat na crunchy nuts. So, this is good enough, guys. Ilalagay ko na ito sa ating baking tray. It's 9 by 9 square. Oh, look at this. So yummy. Okay, lalagay lang natin. Make sure na pantay yung ating pagkakalagay. Like that. Okay. Okay. So, I will set this aside and let's do our cream cheese. Alright. For our cheesecake, we will put in the room temperature cream cheese. Ayan guys, malambot na malambot siya. As you can see. Okay. And then, oopsie. I-run natin siya sa medium ng about 4 minutes. Okay. Okay guys, nasa gilid lahat yung cream cheese natin. So, ipapagitna ko ulit. And then, I'll put now the sugar. There you go. Check natin siya. Ayun. Now, we will put the vanilla. And then we'll do it again. Okay. Put 1 egg in. Be careful with the shell, okay? And then we'll do it for just slow. Another egg. Ayan guys, yung ating cheesecake. Look at this. Alright, this is good enough. Bigat. So heavy. Alright guys, look at this. Now, kunin natin yung ating brownies. Here you go. Guys, nagtira pala ako ng 2 tablespoons and then I will add a warm hot milk. Okay, ininit ko siya. Okay, this is good enough. Right guys? So just be careful when you're mixing, not too much liquid. Alright, then I pour in the cheesecake batter into my pan. Okay. So, ipa-flatten lang natin siya. Okay. So, lalagyan natin siya ng decoration. Mag-i-start ako dito. Ganon. Ganyan. Yun. Okay. This is good enough. We will now put this into the oven. Alright guys. Lalagay na natin siya sa ating oven na mainit. And we will bake this for about 35 minutes. Alright, see you later. Alright guys, luto na yung ating brownies cheesecake. Look at this. So beautiful, right? So, we'll put this for a bit to cool down a little bit. And then, ikakat natin maya-maya. Alright guys, ito na yung ating ginawa na fudgy brownies with cheesecake. Napakasarap itong partner ng coffee o di kaya milk tea, right? So to all my subscribers, thank you so much for your unending support to Mhelbeth's Table. And if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you'll always be updated every time I post a video in my channel. Alright guys, enjoy your cheesecake with brownies.